Hello everyone, this is Amit, and in this video I will show you my Bricks hackathon submission. So I have created this for managing your favorite GitHub repositories. So say you land upon a GitHub repository which you like. The only thing you can do right now is to star that repository so you can access it later again, or you have to remember it. But in this star mechanism as well, it is not as flexible to manage it, like organize all those repositories. To solve this problem, I have used Bricks along with Notion and my custom server to organize this workflow. So I will show you the workflow first, then I will explain what I have done. So I have created a button using Bricks here which triggers the flow. So I will click on this button to trigger this workflow. So when I click on that button, it will extract the information from this page using Bricks. And so here you can see author name has been extracted, repo name has been extracted, this description on the right side has been extracted, along with what languages has been used, which is at the bottom as extracted. Also this link, and at the top you can see there is a field to add categories. So for example, I can add CLI, Node.js, etc. So, and I specify them by comma separated. So when I click submit now, all this information should be stored in my Notion database which I have created, and it will be formatted according to my need. So if I click submit, and it should execute those actions, and it says successfully ran the action. Now if I open my Notion database, so as you can see the journal CLI has been added as a row in this table, in this database. So if I open it as a page, you can see all those details which we have seen along with some more. So here at the top you can see the social media preview image which GitHub provides, or which the developer has set. You can see as a cover image in the Notion, along with the link to the actual repository is here, the author username is here, then whatever categories we have specified has been also added as multi-select thing in the Notion. Then we have this description, then we have all the languages sorted out according to their percentage, and they are formatted in the way Notion wants it. And then the project URL, if it exists, it will appear here.